Crochet beginner, I want to know how to make a slip knot and start a foundation chain. Let's learn it. All you need to do is to hold this thread just like that under your index finger and hold it with the help of your thumb and middle finger. Now all you need to do is to make a small loop and hold it. Now take a hook, put it in the loop, twist, slide it through the loop, turn over the yarn and pass it through the loop and tie it. Here you have got a slip knot. Easy. Now we can start making chains. All you need to do is to keep holding the knot from here, turn over the yarn into the loop, again keep holding the knot, turn over the yarn into the loop, turn over the yarn into the loop, turn over the yarn into the loop, keep holding the knot, turn over the yarn into the loop, turn over the yarn into the loop, now you have a very beautiful small straight chain. You can see that. Easy.